Building on over 25 years of experience teaching science at our location in the Silicon Valley, Rocket Science is now providing an online science experience with Zoom to bring our fun and exciting experiments to your home. Kids learn about science through a combination of storytelling and hands-on fun. We encourage experimentation and discovery as kids solve problems with support from an instructor and from each other.
That actually looks like it's going pretty good.
It looks like it's going really well. Awesome, Ellen.
Yeah.
When I start blowing it up,
Yeah.
I push it over
Okay.
so it can't go back down,
Yeah.
so it's not going to affect it.
We will send you a kit in the mail that will provide everything your student needs to participate in our Zoom classes for a variety of experiments, from engineering to electricity to chemistry. We have both homeschool and after-school classes available for most age groups. Visit our website to sign up now.